Here she go, 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 here she go. God damn, Mo!
What's up, mosquito bites?
Ah!
Did you get bit today?
You don't get no damn mosquito bites off of me. Mo!
They're not mosquitoes.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
So what are we doing today, Dad?
We're not doing shit.
How long?
What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, NeonMUA, and I'm here to present you with some greatness. I know what you guys are thinking. Something is off with me. And yes, I did get a tan. Alright, you guys, so it is festival season. Summer's approaching, warm weather. So, I figured today's look should be a tutorial on my interpretation of a festival makeup look. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. My mind is like turning. I have a few ideas running through my head. Hopefully they'll translate well. If not, then you guys saw it here first. This video is actually going to be a collaboration with my good brother in makeup, Jay Hart. You guys should definitely check out his video after you get finished viewing mine. I will leave a link for his video above and below so you guys don't miss it. As always, if you guys at any point are enjoying yourselves and enjoying the video you are watching, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means a lot. Also, if you want to continue seeing me on your YouTube feed, then you should just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. And without further ado, we're going to get right into this festival makeup tutorial. So let's go. So we're going to get into this. Like I said, it is a festival makeup tutorial, so a lot of focus is going to be on like long wear makeup, also like playing with different aspects of it. It's going to be an interesting look. If it goes the way I want it to in my head, then it will definitely be an interesting look. The main products we're going to focus on is going to come out of the makeup Shayla collab with Colourpop. I also have a few other palettes laying around here to play around with for color. But yeah, it's going to be fun. I haven't done a tutorial like this in a while, so here we go. First, I'm going to prime my skin using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I like using silicone primers like this because it fills in holes, it blurs things out, it makes me look like a a good gaga. So next I'm going to move in foundation. This idea actually came from Makeup Women of Color on Twitter. This is an amazing combination. I'm going to be using the Maybelline FitMe Matte and Poreless foundation in combination with the Maybelline 24-Hour SuperStay foundation. This combination right here, it gives you the full coverage of SuperStay, but it also gives you the matte-ifying effects of matte and poreless. If you guys are looking for like a full coverage, last all day sort of situation, definitely try that out. I look weird. I know I look orange, but I promise you this is all gonna oxidize at some point. Because this is festival makeup, I wanted to make sure that it's long lasting, it's mattifying, it's gonna look cute on me. I'm actually gonna take the Colourpop Pro Filter Concealers. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? I'm taking the Colourpop Pro Filter Concealers, and I'm gonna use that as my concealer because it's gonna help mattify everything, and you know. Yeah. I'm just gonna go in and powder my face now because this is festival makeup. I ain't gonna be powdering my entire face. I don't want to take this out dumping it. This is the Black Radiance yellow powder, so I'm just gonna take that and set my concealer first. I am powdered filth. Yes. All right, and to powder the rest of my face, I'm going to take the black Opal setting or loose powder, and I'm going to take that and powder around my forehead and under my cheeks, the places where I sweat the most. Now I'm just going to go and sweep all that powder away. I'm just going to go in and do some bronzing. I'm going to take the Beauty Bakerie Coffee and Cocoa palette, and I'm taking the color the Presso, which is literally my favorite bronzer. And I'm just going to go right under and bronze. And I love this bronzer, as I've said numerous times, because it bronzes, but it can also do a tad bit of contouring if need be. And you know, we love multitasking queens, so I'm just gonna go back in with that black Radiance yellow powder. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and then we'll be back to do the rest of the face. So I am back. The eyes have been primed. I have set or put a barrier down for my under eyes because I know I'm going to be working with some colors. Like I said, a lot of this eye look is going to come from the Colourpop Makeup Shayla Perception Eyeshadow Palette. So let's get started, shall we? First, I'm going to take the color Revenge and use that as a transition for my eyeshadow. And from that same palette, I'm going to take the color Played Out down here at the bottom. I'm using that to just deepen up the crease and give me some more definition. And with a blending brush, I'm just going to go and blend that all up and out. So with the way I want to do this eye look, it can go really good or really bad, especially with the way I did my transitions. Pray for the best. I'm going to take the color September, which is the purplish lavender color. I'm going to put that over my lid. And when I say over the lid, I mean over the entire lid. Going up into that deepened crease, and we're just going to blend it all out later. So just blend that up, and surprisingly this did not get muddy, so that's pleasant. We're going to go back into that palette a little bit later, but for now we're going to shift gears, and I'm actually going to move over into the BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. I'm taking the color Milky Way. There we go. I'm taking the color Milky Way, and I'm placing that over the center of the lid just to make my eye pop a little bit more. But I don't want my eye to get lost in the sauce. Yeah. Look at that. You guys are probably like, what is going on? I promise you, it's gonna be okay. Now, just to amp up that intensity just a little bit more, out of that same BH Cosmetics palette, I'm taking Cosmic right next to it, which is more of a lighter lavender. And I'm putting it like topping off the center of the lid. Moving on to the bottom of the eye, I've already swept off the powder. Next, I'm going to take the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in, oh god, I don't know what this color is. It's a blue gel liner. So I'm taking it on the bottom. Switching back over to the Perception palette, you guys probably know what color I'm going to take next, but in case you didn't, I'm taking the color 14, which is the blue, and I'm going to sweep that at the bottom of my eyes. And normally I would do like a liner with this, but because this is more of a festival look, it's more light, playful, and fun, so I'm actually going to take that blue and sweep it up at an angle, just to give the illusion of a liner. And I'll take it slightly on the top lid as well, but mostly focus at the bottom. So snatch it back. Now I'm just gonna go in and put on mascara. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash because I want my lashes to be nice and evenly separated. And for lashes, focus! There we go.
Focus on me.
And for lashes, I'm just using the Ardell Double Up Lashes Indie Style 207 Black. I'm going to pop those on, and then we're going to get into some really fun stuff with the face. So, be right back. Okay, so I've got lashes on. This is where things are going to get really fun and creative, if I can find my tools. So I want to play with a little bit of glitter, a little bit of neon vibes. So I'm taking some NYX glitter along with NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to put it in the front of my brows. So I'm just taking the glitter primer, putting that right at the front of my brow. So now I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the color Style Crystal. And I'm just going to pack that on the front of the brow where I'll put that glue. Sweeping it out into my brow. Kind of getting an ombre effect. So more concentrated at the front. Okay. Yes, glitter. Hey, glitter brow. Hopefully you guys can see it on camera, but this looks creative. So next I'm going to go in and do like a neon moon. This is very festival. I'm telling you guys, this is a festival look. So I'm just taking a white liner by Wet n Wild as the base. And I'm using this to sketch out where I want the moon to be. Alright, so I'm going to take my actual white liner. This is the NYX colored felt tip liner in white. And this is where I want to trace over that. So I'm going to go into the Morphe 35B palette and on a tapered blending brush, I'm just going to go and take, I'm going to take this like these two purple shades here, and I'm going to use that and start creating the liner effect or the neon effect. Hopefully this will work. If not, then I'll just cut all of this out. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna go back over it with that white liner one more time, and this is what's gonna create the neon effect. Cross your fingers because I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, so I'm just gonna add in a star using the Remo London Ink Tattoo star stamp and just stamp that. Yay! Alright, for highlight, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, and I'm taking the color Purple Horseshoe, and I'm using it as my highlights. With a more compact highlighter brush, I'm going to take the color Star from that same palette, and I want to put that on top of the highlight and highlight the brow bone and all that other stuff. Yeah. Yes! Yes! For the lips, I'm going to go back into that Makeup Shayla Colourpop collab, and I'm taking the lipstick in the color, come on sis.
Mauve.
No, Kayla.
Mauve.
No.
Maroon. Magenta.
I'm just going to set my face with some matte Fix Plus. Alright you guys, that is the completed look. This is my festival makeup look. You know, it's a festival look. It's an eye catcher, I'll put it that way. For a full list of products, everything will be listed down in the description box below. Also make sure after you finish watching this video, you head over to Jay Hart's channel and check out his festival look as well. I will leave the description for that above and below. As always, if you guys like this video, then go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means a lot. Also make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Upload roughly 2 times a week, so go ahead and get the notifications, you guys. Also make sure you guys share this video with all your friends and family all over the internet. We are almost at 300 subscribers, you guys. I want to hit 300 before August, so if we can get that to happen, that would be great. That would be super, that would be lovely. So spread the love, share, and yeah. Oh my gosh, now. Alright you guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.
Look at you looking golden. There's over here like a golden nugget. Yes.
How'd she know? Talking about I ain't lying. What you know?
She said you like a cookie.
Look a cookie. Trying to be quiet because it's not really working. Ah! She bit it.
Have you ever done this before?
Mm-hmm. I've done something like it before.
So you think you know what you're doing, don't you?
More than you. Ah!
You right about that? Well, let's talk about the first we can actually sing. Oh.
Too bad this isn't a singing channel, so.
Let me do something. We can have a singing challenge.
Yes, I'm making you disappear. Now shut up.